Hello, my name is Samuel Suselias. Today I place is Paita. Paita is located in northern Peru, a tempura región on the Pacific coast. I work and some tourists I work on the board visit San Lucas Cruz. Ean fresh, sea cook and enjoy viaje Niki Yasila and con and Colan. Last year I went to with my family. I saw beautiful sunset visit the port I taste ceviche, drank chicha morada. I want grants experience now. I planning my next tricks. I want to visit beach. I want to take photos. I Paita is perfect place to relax. I do like the headache, summer and advice for travel to Paita is and sunny sun Joe's down neon winter clown Joe. Take up of Sunglex I link clock text you also need you I photo for photos I for show for the war next year I want to travel I want to take three short I sandland I want to I saw for Seveas I list hack for the next I is going to be a fantastic experience.